Welcome to Easy Higher Mathematics.
So today's class is about the center of curvature. So center of curvature. For that, some assumptions. So let the P of x comma y be any point. So we take one point P of x comma y. So this point is equal to P of x comma y. Let the tangent L at P. So at this point we draw a tangent, and which makes the angle psi with x-axis. Draw a normal at P. What is normal? This is the tangent. The lines perpendicular to the tangent is called normal. So this is we taken as normal. Such that PC is equal to rho. So this is the assumption. Take PC is equal to rho. So this point, this length is equal to rho. Which one? PC equal to rho. Then C is the center of curvature of the curve at P. So this point is the center of curvature. So point is what? X bar, Y bar. So our aim is to find X bar and Y bar. So what is X bar? So X bar is equal to this length, that is equal to ON. X bar is equal to ON. But this point is equal to x comma y. So this full length is equal to x. OQ is equal to, we have OQ is equal to x. Therefore, x bar is equal to OQ minus ON. OQ minus ON. So this length is equal to this full length OQ minus ON. So this is equal to, what is OQ? Equal to x minus ON. So now our aim is to find the value of, not ON, sorry, OQ minus NQ. OQ minus NQ. So now our idea is to find the value of NQ. But this NQ is equal to PM or MP. This is equal to X minus MP. Because NQ is equal to MP. So X bar is equal to, X bar is equal to X minus MP, since NQ is equal to MP. So this is the right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. Therefore psi is the inside angle, because this angle psi. So this angle psi. So from this right angle triangle, what is MB? So psi cos theta is equal to. So you take, this is equation number 1. Now Y bar. What is Y bar? Y bar is equal to this full length. But this point is equal to x comma y. Therefore this length is equal to what? Y. So that is equal to, not this length, this length. This point is the x comma y. That is Cn is equal to, Y bar is equal to Cn, that is equal to Nm plus Mc. Nm plus Mc. But Nm is equal to Qp. Reason, Nm is equal to Qp. So this is equation number 2. So these are two equations. So our idea is to find the value of MB and MC. So from the triangle, PMC PMC cos psi is equal to adjacent side CM by CP. That implies cos psi is equal to CM. We have to find by rho because CP is equal to rho. So that is equal to that implies CM is equal to rho cos psi. So this is equation number 3. So what is next one? So now you find a sin psi. So sin psi is equal to opposite side PM divided by CP. Sin psi equal to MB divided by CP because opposite side, that is MB divided by CP. So that is equal to MP divided by CP is equal to rho. So that is MB is equal to rho sin psi. So this is equation number 4. Therefore, one implies x bar is equal to x minus MB. So MB is equal to what? Rho sin psi. And y bar is equal to that is equal to what? QP. What is QP? QP is equal to y. Or we can write this is one more term. This is equal to y plus MC. That is y plus MC is equal to rho cos psi. Y is equal to y plus rho cos psi. So now our idea is to find the values of this cos psi and sin psi in terms of y dash. So that is we have dy by dx is equal to y dash is equal to tan psi because the slope is equal to tan theta. Slope is equal to tan theta. That is equal to dy by dx. That is y1 is equal to tan psi. So secant square psi equal to 1 plus tan square psi. That is 1 by cos square psi equal to 1 plus tan square psi. So that is 1 by cos square psi equal to 1 plus y1 square. So that is cross multiplication, that is cos square psi equal to 1 by 1 plus y1 square. So y1 is equal to, first y1 means dy by dx. Therefore cos psi is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus y1 square. Taking square root on both sides, so we can get a root. Now cosec square psi equal to 1 plus cot square psi. So that is equal to 1 by cosec theta is equal to what? 1 by sin psi. That is 1 by sin square psi equal to what is cot psi? 1 by tan square psi. So that is equal to 1 plus 1 by y1 square because tan psi is equal to y1. So taking LCM, that is y1 square plus 1 divided by y1 square is equal to 1 by sin square sin. So we need only sin square psi. So that is sin square psi is equal to, take a reciprocal. So sin psi is equal to y1 by root of 1 plus y1 square. Because taking square root on both sides, that means y1 square root is equal to y1. Here not square term, that is root of 1 plus y1 square. Now we can substitute these values cos psi and sin psi in that equation. We can get all the terms in terms of y1 and y2. What is y1? y1 is the first derivative and y2 is the second derivative. X bar is equal to x minus rho into sin psi equal to x minus rho 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 by y2 into sin psi, that is y dash by root of 1 plus y1 square. So this equal to x minus, or we take not y dash, it is better y1. Yes. 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 That is x minus 1 plus yn square into root of 1 plus yn square y1 by root of 1 plus yn square divided by r into y2. So this root cancel, that is equal to x minus y1 by y2 into 1 plus y1 square. So this is the first one. Y plus rho cos psi, that is equal to y plus rho equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 by y2 into cos psi. So what is cos psi here? For cos psi value is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by root of 1 plus y1 square. So that is equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square into root of 1 plus y1 square into 1 by root of 1 plus y1 square whole divided by y2. So this cancel. So that is y plus 1 plus y1 square whole divided by y2 equal to y bar. So this is the center of curvature. So let us do the problem. So the problem is, find the center of curvature of root x plus root y is equal to root a at a by 4 comma a by 4. This is one of the important question. So actually this center of curvature is a coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay. So first you take solution. Root a. So this is equal to root a or root y is equal to root a minus root x. So that is squaring on both sides. That is root y the whole square equal to root a minus root x the whole square. We are squaring both sides. So root and square cancel. That is y equal to, this is a minus b. That is root a the whole square minus 2 root a root x 2ab plus b square root x the whole square. So this is equal to root square cancel a minus 2 root a root x plus root x square, that is equal to x. So this is to simplify this given equation. Now it is easy to find the derivative. Okay. So that is y dy by dx is equal to y1 is equal to. What is y1? y1 is equal to, first constant term 0, that is 2 root a into root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. 2 root a, that is a constant, root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x plus x differentiation is equal to 1. Now dy by dx equal to, or in we take y1, that is simple one, y1, here 2 cancel, that is root a by root x plus 1. Now y1 at the point a by 4 comma a by 4, because given at the point a by 4 comma a by 4, that means x value is equal to a by 4 and y value is equal to a by 4. So that is equal to minus root a by root of a by 4 plus 1. So that is equal to minus root a by 2, because root a root 4 is equal to 2 plus 1. So this 2 goes to numerator, that is minus 2 into root a by root a plus 1 cancel, that is equal to minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. This is the first derivative. So now find the second one, that is second derivative d square y by dx square. Now dy by dx is equal to, what is value dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to minus root a by root x plus 1. Now differentiate, once again differentiate with respect to x, that is d square y by dx square is equal to minus root a into 1 by root x differentiation, that is x raised to minus 1 by 2, x raised to minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2 x raised to minus 1 by 2 minus 1, so etc. Better 1 by root x differentiation is minus 1 by 2 x root x, so that is enough. So 1 by root x differentiation is minus 1 by 2 x root x plus here 1 differentiation 0. So you can follow this also. So that is equal minus into minus plus, that is minus into minus plus root a by 2 into x root x. Okay, x root x. Now substitute the value. Therefore y2 is, we can write here y2 is equal to d square y by dx square at the point a by 4 comma a by 4. So that is equal to root a by 4 into root a by 4. So that is equal to, here root 4 is equal to 2, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 4 8, 8 goes to numerator, that is 8. There one more 2 is there. Okay. So this is cancel. So 4 goes to numerator, root a cancel, that is equal to 4 by a. Once again, here this 2 cancel, here 2 root 4 is equal to 2, 2 into 2 goes to numerator, a 1 root a cancel. Therefore, so what are the things we have to find? First, x bar. So what is x bar? X bar is equal to x minus y1 by y2 into 1 plus y1 square. So y1 is equal to dy by dx y2 is equal to d square y by dx square. X is the point given. So that is x bar is equal to x is equal to a by 4. What is y1? Y1 is equal to minus 1 by y2 is equal to 4 by a into 1 plus minus 1 the whole square. So that is equal to a by 4 minus into minus plus, this a goes to numerator, that is a by 4 into 2. Because 1 minus 1 square is equal to plus 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So this cancel. Answer is 3a by 4. So this is the first value. Now y bar is equal to y plus 1 plus yn square whole divided by y2. That is equal to what is y? Y is equal to given point. X bar, x comma y is the given point a by 4 comma a by 4. So that is a by 4 plus 1 plus minus 1 square whole divided by y2. Y2 is equal to what? 2 by 4. So this is cancel. So that is a by 4 plus a by 2, that is equal to 3a by 4. So first we found that x bar is equal to 3a by 4. Now y bar is also 3a by 4. Therefore the center of curvature x bar comma y bar is equal to, this is a point, so you write in the point way. So that is 3a by 4 comma 3a by 4. So this is the required answer. Is y equal to log sec x at the point pi by 3 comma log 2. So that is given y equal to log sec x. So first you find the first derivative and the second derivative. So that is dy by dx is equal to log sec x, that is log x differentiation is 1 by x into secant x differentiation is sec x into tan x. So first you take this sec x log x differentiation is 1 by x, that is 1 by x into then x, that is sec x differentiation is sec x tan x. So sec x cancel, that is equal to tan x. Therefore y1 is equal to dy by dx at the point pi by 3 comma log 2. So that value is equal to, first coordinate is for x, second coordinate is for y. Here x value is equal to only pi by 3. So that is equal to tan pi by 3. What is tan pi by 3? Tan pi by 3 is equal to tan 60, that is equal to root 3. So that is, so first value y1. Now d square y by d x square is equal to, so this is dy by dx, then d square by dx square equal to what? Tan x differentiation is sec square x. So tan x differentiation is sec square x. So this is equal to what? That is y2 equal to d square y by dx square at the point pi by 3 comma log 2. So that is equal to sec square, here x, for x pi by 3 and y is log 2. So that is pi by 3. So that is cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. That is 2 square. That is equal to 4. So that is equal to 4. Therefore, so first we get y1, then y2. So what is formula? X bar. So x bar is equal to x minus y1 by y2 into 1 plus y1 square. So that is equal to, what is x? X is equal to pi by 3 minus y1. So y1 is equal to root 3 by y2 is equal to 4 into 1 plus root 3 square equal to y by 3 minus root 3 by 4 into 1 plus 3. So that is y by 3 minus root 3. That is 5 minus 3 root 3 divided by 3. So next one, y bar. So y bar is equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. So y is from the given point. What is given point? 5 by 3 log 2. So y coordinate is log 2 plus 1 plus root 3 the whole square divided by y2. y2 is equal to what? 4. So that is equal to log 2 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. So this cancel. That is 1 plus log 2. Therefore, the point is, therefore, the center of curvature x bar comma y bar is equal to 5 minus 3 root 3 by 3 comma 1 plus log 2. So find the center of curvature at t is equal to pi by 2 on the curve x is equal to 2 cos t plus cos 2t and y is equal to 2 sin t plus sin 2t. The solution is, so first you find dx by dt. So dx by dt is equal to 2 into cos t differentiation is minus sin t plus cos 2t differentiation is minus 2 sin 2t, because cos theta differentiation minus sin theta into 2t differentiation is 2. So that is equal to minus 2 into sin t plus sin 2t. So dy by dt equal to, what is dy by dt? Here 2 into cos t plus sin 2t differentiation is cos 2t into sin 2t differentiation is cos 2t, again 2t differentiation is equal to 2. So that is equal to 2 into cos t plus cos 2t. Now we can apply the formula dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. So that is equal to, substitute the values, that is 2 into cos t plus cos 2t divided by minus 2 into sin t plus sin t plus sin 2t. So what? First dx by dt, then dy by dt, then apply the formula. Dx by dt value is equal to this one, sorry, dy by dt value is equal to this one, dx by dt value is equal to this one. Now these two cancel, this minus we can write in the numerator, that is minus. Now cos, so this is equal to minus cos c plus cos d formula, that is cos a plus b, that is 2t plus t divided by 2. Cos c plus cos d formula, that is cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b divided by 2, that is equal to 2t minus t divided by 2. 2 cos a plus b divided by 2, or 2 cos c plus d divided by 2, c minus d divided by 2. Then denominator sin and sin, so we take 2 into sin c plus d, that is equal to 3 rt plus 2t divided by 2, again cos t minus 2t divided by 2. So these two cancel, that is minus cos 3t by 2 cos t divided by 2 whole divided by, here sin 3t by 2 cos t minus 2t, that is equal to t by 2. The cos, if the cos angle contains negative, don't need to put a negative. But if the sine angle contains negative, we have to put a minus outside the angle. So that is equal to minus sine theta. So this is cos t by 2, that is minus cot 3t divided by 2. So this is what? Dy by dx. Now d square y by, so here what formula? Inside only we can cancel. So that is t plus 2t, that is equal to 3t by 2. Here cos t by 2 cancel. So now d square y by dx square is equal to cot t. Cot theta differentiation is minus c square 3 theta by 2, 3t by 2. Cot theta differentiation is minus cosec square theta. Then 3t by 2 is equal to what? Into 3 by 2 into t differentiation is dt by dx. Don't forget to put dt by dx because this is the function of t. We differentiate with respect to x only. Therefore, t differentiation is dt by dx. Now, y2 equal to d square y by dx square at the point pi by 2. So that is equal to minus 3 by 4 cosec square 3 pi by 2 divided by sine pi by 2 plus cosine 2 pi by 2. So this is equal to minus 3 by 4 into cosec 3 pi by 2, that is equal to minus root 2 the whole square by sin pi by 2 1, sin pi 0. So what is the reason? Cosec 3 pi by 4 equal to minus root 2. Sin pi by 2 equal to 1. Sin, that is equal to minus 3 by 2. So y1, now y2. Now we can apply the formula. What is x bar? X bar is equal to x minus y1 by y2 into 1 plus y1 square. What is x? So x is equal to, the question, what is x? X is equal to 2 cos t. 2 cos t. So before substituting here, we can find x and y also. So that is x is equal to 2 cos t plus cos 2t. So that is equal to 2 into cos pi by 2 plus cos 2 pi by 2. So that is equal to what? That is 2 into 0 plus cos pi equal to minus 1. So that is equal to minus 1 because cos pi is equal to minus 1. Now y is equal to 2 sin t plus sin 2t. So that is equal to 2 sin pi by 2 plus sin 2 into sin pi by 2 1 0. So that is equal to 2. Therefore the points are minus 1 comma 2. Now x bar is equal to x minus y1 by y2 into 1 plus y1 square. So that is equal to x minus y1 value. So x is equal to minus 1 minus y1 value. Y1 value is equal to, what is dy by dx value? That is equal to 1 by y2 is equal to minus 3 by 2 into 1 plus what is y1 square? That is equal to 1. So that is equal to minus 1. This goes to numerator, minus and minus plus. That is 2 by 3 into 2. So that is equal to what? 4 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. So next y bar. So what is y bar? Y bar is equal to y minus 1 plus y1 square. 1 plus 1 square divided by y2. What is y2? y2 is our value minus 3 by 2. So that is equal to 2 plus 2 by minus 3 by 2. So that is 2 minus 4 by 3. That is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, this is our answer. So here x and y is given, not particular point given. So at last we substitute the point pi by 2 for x and y, then substitute here. Don't put first, then you will get the constant only while